Wait, okay. Wait on doing the other video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. So pretty much, I'm gonna show you how to sneeze, and I'm gonna put my Facebook on the comment below, on the description below, or in the comment below, or in the description below. Some guys out there. So today I'm going to show you how to sneeze, which is warm paper. Do this. Right. You sneeze like a boss. Do this. All you need is one paper towel. And you want to get to the corner. You want to go like that. And all you want to do is stick it up, just stick it over, not all the way, but like in the very end. And it will make you sneeze. And then, if you didn't know this, if you're looking in the sun, that's why I have the sun in the back. If you're looking in the sun or in the light, you're going to sneeze. That's it. And it's going to sound weird, but you have to do it up and down. It's kind of sound weird, but that's how you sneeze. So like, that's how you sneeze, like a boss. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember the memory booster light is like a blue cube with a light, and charge your phone faster with airplane mode. So my Facebook is going to be in the description below or in the comment below. And remember, like I said, airplane mode to charge your phone, and memory boost light, blue cube, and the little link is from the peace. Bye. And I'm not going, and I'm signing out.